In this video, I'm going to show you how to make posts on the Rednote application. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Rednote app, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom menu and select on the plus icon just like so. Then it will open up your camera roll where you can go ahead and post any videos or images that you do have. Alternatively, we will also have things to help us out such as templates. So you guys could use any of these templates if they, do fit well with your content, or you guys can go ahead and record a video from the app directly by pressing on camera, and then you can go ahead and take a video, or you could also take a photo as well. You will also be given some filters to make the process easier, so that is definitely pretty cool. And you will also even get the option to live stream. However, that is only available in certain regions. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and take one picture like so. Just for an example, obviously you guys can go ahead and take videos. So yeah, we will also get a bunch of filters as well, which is pretty cool. But once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and just press on the check mark, and then go ahead and press on next once you're done with that. All right, now here's a really fun part. So now we can go ahead and add in a title. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in my first Rednote post. And then for the description, you can go ahead and just write whatever you want. And we will also get the option to include hashtags. And it's basically just like TikTok, except it is on a different application. So over here is the visibility settings. So at the moment, I currently have it to public, but you can go ahead and change that or adjust it or even make it private. So yeah, you guys could either save this as a draft or even preview it. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and post it like so. And then before it actually makes you do that, if it's your first time ever posting, then it may ask for your mobile phone number. So let's go ahead and enter that in. And by the way, whenever you do enter your phone number, if you're in the United States, please make sure that you go ahead and select on one right over here, the option that says +1, which should be the second option, because otherwise you won't be able to enter in your phone number correctly. And I just wanted to throw that out there. And then it is going to send you a code to your phone number, and then all you got to do is just enter it in. All right, once you entered in your phone number, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on post, and now it'll begin to upload your post onto Rednote. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.